National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Washington County in northeastern Colorado, eastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 3:30 p.m. At 2:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Cottonwood Valley, or 33 miles north of Lemon, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.